Hi there, Jean Greer here at Stylish Fireplaces. Today I want to introduce you to the Dimplex DF3015, so DF3015. It's sitting here next to me at ground level. This is a firebox, an insert that has been in the Dimplex lineup for as long as we've been selling electric fireplaces, which is almost 20 years. It has been updated over those years and been given a makeover with LED lights, like all the fireboxes over time have come to involve. And it is still one of the workhorses of the Dimplex line. So for people who like a traditional fire, this is still one of our best-selling options. It's considered a 30-inch firebox, so that means the glass size is about 30 inches wide, and the height is in around 26 inches. So it's a pretty popular size. That's the size where we start to think of this as a full-size insert. Anything smaller than that, and it's really meant for a more compact space. At 30 inches wide, you can build a beautiful mantle around this unit and get something that looks like a full-size fireplace. So you can see the logs are lit up from within. There's a coal bed that lights up as well. And those logs are actually pulsating, and the light changes slightly to mimic the heat passing through the logs. So as the logs are burning, as you know, they're going to glow hotter at some points. And the lighting in the logs has been set up to mimic that effect. The flames are a very natural looking flame. This is a box that doesn't have a ton of bells and whistles on it. It is meant to look natural. It's meant to look fairly traditional. So there's not a lot of things I can change on it. However, the flame speed can be changed. We've got a remote that looks like this, so it's got a little display telling me what I can change. And I can change the flame speed, so I can make them go faster, and we can slow them down. And then there's also downlighting that lights up the background. So right now you don't really see any brick or anything inside the unit. There are brick panels on either side, but they're very discreet, especially when that overhead lighting is off. If I turn that lighting up slowly, you'll start to see the background light up and the side panels become more visible. And when that background lights up, there's a brick that's etched into the glass at the back of the fireplace, and it will become more visible. So for people who like the brick look, I say turn the lights up. If it's not something you want to see, then keep those overhead lights down a little lower or off completely. So I'm going to turn them up, and you'll see the background becoming more and more visible. And if you can have a close look, you'll see there's a brick etched into the background. The other reason for having that optional lighting in the background, it helps you compensate for different light conditions in your room. So let's say you've got a very bright sunny room, and it's maybe a little more challenging to see the flames during the day. That overhead lighting, that backlighting, is going to help you make the fire more visible and more, really just more visible during a bright situation. In the evening, you might choose to turn that overhead lighting down and just enjoy the logs and the flames, because of course they're going to be much more visible in low lighting conditions. So we'll turn that back down. And you'll notice I don't need to stand and point the remote at the unit in order for it to talk to the unit. The other neat thing that this insert has is what they call Purifier. So in the back of the unit, there is an air filter, much like the filters that you would put in your furnace. There's an air filter that slides into the back of the unit, and this has a fan. All electrics have a fan to push the heater out into the room. So what they've done is they've taken the fan, and with the filter, they've used that system to filter the air in the room. So it's taking air in, it's filtering it, and it's releasing it again through the filter in the back of the unit. So that was a really cool feature that was introduced quite a few years ago. You don't see it on a lot of the inserts, but it is on this one. And it is a really neat feature for people who have maybe allergies and sensitivities in the spring to seasonal allergies, dust, that sort of thing. It just is an extra level of filtering in the room, and something that was innovative at its time when it was introduced by Dimplex. So this unit still has that. The other neat thing you're going to notice is, if you can read this yellow sticker, this unit has a 5-year warranty, which is almost unheard of in the electric fireplaces. Dimplex has a couple of models that have a 5-year warranty. This is one of them. So it still has the 5-year warranty after all this time. So you know this is a reliable unit. As I said, it's been around quite a long time, so they know how reliable it is. We've actually had clients who have an earlier generation of this exact size and have chosen to upgrade to the newer model because they've purchased a beautiful mantle, or they've built something around the firebox 15 years ago, and now they realize there's a newer, better model available, and this exact size can still slide into their installation. And that speaks to the longevity of Dimplex and their ability to keep servicing and allow us to keep servicing their models in the long term. So we can get parts, and or they've upgraded something in that same size, or upgraded the features on a model, so that people can still keep their installations and perhaps upgrade or service their unit to the newer technology, or to keep an older unit running. And we're really grateful that Dimplex is able to do that over the long term, because we do believe that these fireplaces are a long-term investment. So this is the DF3015. It's a great option for people who want a more traditional firebox in the 30-inch width. It's just under 12 inches deep, so a little deeper than some of the newer models, but we generally say in these traditional fireboxes, if you can get a little more depth into your installation, you will tend to see a difference in the flame quality. And I think that's evident with the 3015. This has Dimplex's patented reflective backdrop, so that when you look at the logs and you look at the flames, it really does appear as if the flames are coming up through the center of the logs, as they should be. And this still is one of our most popular traditional fireboxes in this size range. Even though there are newer models available, there are shallower models, many people still prefer the flame and the logs and the overall appearance of this standby. So it's the Dimplex DF3015 insert. You can find it on stylishfireplaces.ca under Dimplex, and then scroll down to the DF series. You could also search and shop by style, and you would find it under fireboxes and inserts.